Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix RDR1 if it's not opening. Alright, well the first thing that you need to do here is to open up your favorite browser and go ahead and paste this link. Don't worry, I'll leave this one in the description. Alright, once you're in here, you're going to want to scroll down until you find this button right here, download solution file v1. And don't forget the file password. It will be 123. Alright, if the file asks for password, just go ahead and download it. Download anyway. A download process will begin, so I'm going to go ahead and save it on my desktop so I can easily locate it later. Start download. Alright, just wait for it to finish. Alright, says here it's done. I'm going to close the browser, and here is our RAR file. Alright, so what we're going to do with this RAR file is just right click on it and hit on extract files, save it on our desktop. Here is the file. Alright, now what we're going to do next is open the games directory. Right click on the game and open file location. Alright, if you have the game from Steam, go ahead and open up your Steam app. Right click on the game, right click, manage, browse local files. Alright, I know you have this error because you have downloaded the game elsewhere. Alright, so again, right click on the game, go to open file location. Now what we're going to do next is open the RDR1 file. Alright, as you can see here is our downloaded file. Again, click on it, right click, extract here. The password would be again 123, hit OK, and here is our file. Double click on it. As you can see here, there are a lot of files in here. So what we're going to do basically is just Ctrl+A to select all, or drag to select all, then right click and just hit on copy or cut. Once done, click on your Red Dead Redemption directory or the original directory, right click on it and just simply hit on paste. I'm not going to do it again because I've done this earlier. This is how I fixed the issue. So again, just to show you what's the result, I'm going to open up the game. Alright, as you can see here, it is launching and no errors so far. Alright, I'm going to start a game just for you to see. So I'm going to hit on play, normal. Alright, and there you have it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Well, thank you for watching. Goodbye.